Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case your fan is not working. So I will show you the blower motor fuse location. This video should apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, before I show you the fuse, I just want to add, in case your fan is working only on a specific speed setting, then most likely you're dealing with a faulty blower motor resistor. But if your fan is not working at all, then you want to check the blower motor. Start by checking the fuse, and if the fuse is good, then you want to test the blower motor. If the power is coming to it, then the blower motor probably failed, which happens quite often. And if the power is not coming to it, then most likely you have a wiring issue. But start with the fuse for sure. The blower motor fuse is located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel, just behind this cover. To remove the cover, pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram, and in the bottom left corner of the fuse box, there is like a small fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. And the blower motor fuse is this large 40 amp fuse located right here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.